Hey, good morning, world history. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to Digital Learning Week 6. This is for April the 20th through April 26th. Remember, all assignments are due by April 26th at 11:55 p.m. You have three things that we're working on this week. Number one, completing Unit 6 tests. That link is available for you at any time. Please remember, it is a timed test. And so I encourage you to study, watch the videos, your notes, understand what's going on before you complete this test. Second thing, complete the research of the transatlantic slave trade activity. I have posted a video along with the assignment details. I strongly encourage you to watch that video to help you be able to complete that exercise. If you need additional help with the transatlantic slave trade activity, I am willing to Google Meet you, or we can discuss it on Thursday at our virtual class. And finally, Unit 7.1 to 7.3 notes. I am not posting the PowerPoint slides this week. They will be available through the videos that are posted. Also, that is not something you're required to turn in this week. I'm not asking you to submit that. However, it's going to be really important that you watch the videos, you pay attention to them, and you jot down notes that you feel are very important for assessments that are coming up very soon. So those are your assignments. Not too bad, although that transatlantic slave trade, do not wait till Friday night to start working on it. Also, remember office hours, Monday to Friday, 9 to 3. I'm here. I'm available to meet with you if you have any questions. Also, it's important for you to have everything done as needed before the weekend, because when the weekend comes, it's going to be very hard to figure things out. So if you're having technical issues, things like that, knock those things out before the weekend. You guys have a great week, and here if you need me. Take care.